Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Japan ang Mongolia 93-75. Top performer si Yuday Nishida sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 12 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Para naman sa natalong Mongolia, Amar Bayasgalan 26 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist at 1 steal. Wagi naman ang South Korea kontra sa Indonesia 86-78. Top performer si John Yongbyon sa likod ng kanyang 13 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Indonesia, Anthony Ben 27 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Tinambakan din ng Chinese Taipei ang Hong Kong 85-55. Top performer si Gadiaga sa likod ng kanyang 18 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Hong Kong China, Oliver Hsu 11 points, 4 rebounds at 2 assists. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Pinataob naman ng Gilas Pilipinas ang New Zealand 93-89. Top performer si Kai Soto sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, 10 rebounds, 7 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Nakapagtala naman si Justin Brownlee ng 26 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Scottie Thompson 12 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists. Chris Newsome 11 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Dwight Ramos 11 points, 6 rebounds at 4 assists. John Mar Fajardo 6 points, 3 rebounds at 1 assist. Nag-ambag din si Seji Perez ng 3 points, 2 rebounds at 1 steal. Calvin Oftana 3 points at 1 rebound. Carl Tamayo 2 points. Para naman sa natalong New Zealand, Corey Webster 26 points, 1 rebound at 5 assists. Thomas Vodanovic 19 points at 3 rebounds. Sam Wardenberg 19 points, 7 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 blocks. Taylor Brett 8 points, 3 rebounds at 13 assists. Dinurog naman ng China ang Guam 101-53. Top performer si Fan Bozeng sa likod ng kanyang 14 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong bansang Guam, Jericho Cruz 12 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Winasak naman ng Australia ang Thailand 101-48. Top performer si Chris Golding sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 2 rebounds at 2 assists. Para naman sa natalong Thailand, John Schlesh 11 points, 4 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng FIBA Asia Cup 2025 Qualifiers Window 2 as of November 21, 2024. Sa Group A, Australia 3 wins, 0 loss, 6 points. South Korea 2 wins, 1 loss, 5 points. Thailand 1 win, 2 losses, 4 points. Indonesia 0 win, 3 losses, 3 points. Sa Group B naman, Gilas Pilipinas 3 wins, 0 loss, 6 points. New Zealand 2 wins, 1 loss, 5 points. Chinese Taipei 1 win, 2 losses, 4 points. Hong Kong China 0 win, 3 losses, 3 points. Sa Group C, Japan 3 wins, 0 loss, 6 points. China 2 wins, 1 loss, 5 points. Guam 1 win, 2 losses, 4 points. Mongolia 0 win, 3 losses, 3 points. Sa Group D, Jordan 2 win, 0 loss, 4 points. Saudi Arabia 1 win, 1 loss, 3 points. Iraq 1 win, 1 loss, 3 points. Palestine 0 win, 2 losses, 2 points. Sa Group E, Iran 2 wins, 0 loss, 4 points. Kazakhstan 2 wins, 0 loss, 4 points. Qatar 0 win, 2 losses, 2 points. India 0 win, 2 losses, 2 points. Sa Group F, Lebanon 2 win, 0 loss, 4 points. Syria 1 win, 1 loss, 3 points. Bahrain 1 win, 1 loss, 3 points. United Arab Emirates 0 win, 2 losses, 2 points. Kung umabot ka dito sa bahagi ng video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang susunod na laban ng Gilas Pilipinas ngayong November 24, 2024. Maglalaban ang Hong Kong China at Gilas Pilipinas na gaganapin sa Mall of Asia Arena alas 7:30 ng gabi. Heto naman ang game schedule ngayong November 22 at 23, 2024, Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang India at Qatar alas 8:30 ng gabi. Maghaharap naman ang Iran at Kazakhstan alas 9:30 ng gabi. Magtutuos naman ang United Arab Emirates at Lebanon alas 11:30 ng gabi. Magtutuos ang Jordan at Iraq alas 12 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban naman ang Bahrain at Syria alas 12 ng madaling araw. Maglalaban naman ang Palestine at Saudi Arabia alas 12:45 ng madaling araw. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.